T-shirts, your cash printing machine. Imagine turning your creativity into cash, one t-shirt at a time. You want to make money? Look no further. T-shirts are the answer. Side hustle? T-shirt marketing, baby. It's a goldmine. With endless design possibilities, you can cater to any niche. Low startup costs, huge profit potential. Everyone wears t-shirts. It's walking advertising. Every t-shirt is a billboard for your brand. Think about it, your design, their lifestyle, your art becomes part of their daily life. It's a match made in marketing heaven. Your designs can inspire and connect people. People love repping brands they connect with. They become walking ambassadors for your brand. It's all about passion, community, belonging. T-shirts are conversation starters. They build connections. They create a sense of unity. And the best part? You control the message. You decide what story your t-shirts tell. Your creativity, your hustle, your profits. The more unique your designs, the more they stand out. It's time to get in the game. Start your t-shirt business today and watch your ideas come to life. Finding your tribe. Who's wearing your brand? It's more than just a question. It's a journey to discover your true audience. Before you print a single tee, know your audience. Dive deep into market research. Understand their habits, preferences, and where they hang out online. Who are you talking to? What do they love? What makes them tick? Gamers, foodies, dog lovers, each group has its own unique culture and interests. Find your niche. The more specific, the better. Laser focus is key. Brainstorm and identify those small, passionate communities that will resonate with your brand. Once you know your tribe, speak their language, use their slang, understand their humor, engage with them on social media and in real life. Connect on a personal level. Make them feel valued and understood. Personal touches can make a huge difference. Remember, it's not about you, it's about them. Your brand should reflect their values and aspirations. Give them what they want. Offer designs and products that speak to their passions and interests. They'll reward you with loyalty and sales. A strong connection with your audience leads to repeat business and a thriving community around your brand. Designs that pop from idea to eye candy. Your design is everything. It's the first thing people see. It has to grab attention. It has to make a statement. Keep it simple. Bold fonts, striking visuals. Think outside the box. Humor works wonders. Don't be afraid to experiment. Test different designs. Get feedback from your target audience. See what resonates. Remember, quality matters. Invest in high-quality blanks and printing. Your customers will notice the difference. Section 4, where to sell. Your digital storefront awaits. You've got the designs. Now, where to sell? Options galore. Your own website, social media, online marketplaces. The possibilities are endless, and each option offers unique advantages that can help you reach your target audience effectively. Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, the list goes on. These platforms provide robust tools to help you manage your store, track your sales, and engage with customers. They also offer various features that can enhance your online presence and streamline your operations. Each platform has its pros and cons. Do your research. Consider factors like fees, ease of use, and the level of customer support. Look into the specific features that each platform offers and how they align with your business goals. Choose what's best for you. Think about your long-term strategy and how each platform can support your growth. It's important to select a platform that not only meets your current needs, but can also scale with your business as it expands. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your sales channels. Reach a wider audience. Maximize your profits. By spreading your presence across multiple platforms, you can tap into different customer bases and reduce the risk associated with relying on a single sales channel. Remember, customer experience is key. Fast shipping, easy returns, excellent customer service. These elements can make or break your business. Ensure that your customers have a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience from start to finish. Build trust, build a brand. Your brand is more than just your products. It's the promise you make to your customers. Consistently delivering on that promise will help you build a loyal customer base and a strong reputation in the market. Section 5. Marketing mastery, from zero to sold out. You've got the product, the platform. Now get the word out. Marketing is everything. It's the fuel to your fire. Social media is your best friend. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Create engaging content. Run targeted ads. Go live. Influencer marketing is huge. Find influencers in your niche. Send them free teas. Get them talking about your brand. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. Build your email list. Offer exclusive discounts. Keep your audience engaged. Section 6. Get started today. Your t-shirt empire awaits. What are you waiting for? No more excuses. The t-shirt market is booming. It's time to claim your piece of the pie. Start small. Dream big. One design, one platform. Take action. Learn as you go. Don't be afraid to fail. This is your chance to build something from scratch. Your creativity, your hustle, your brand. The world is waiting. Get started today.